Oh, really? They just borrow? Pinahirapan din sana kami. John Ray! Where's John Ray?
Everyone, please stand up for our opening prayer to be led by Miss Dayan. Thank you, Miss Dayan. Before we start, we have an energizer song. It's called Head, Shoulder, Knees, and Toes. So please follow Miss Kimberly to our action song. Let's give her a round of applause for our action song. Please have a seat. Good morning, class. How are you today? May I know who is absent today? Oh, Miss Almira and Miss Irene. Do you know our class rules? Please enumerate it, Miss Irene. Okay, that's our classroom rules. Do we have an assignment? Please submit it in front.
Okay, class, we have an activity for today. This activity is for one word. We are going to look at the picture and find out the common words. Number one, what do you think the answer? Yes, Diana? Hardware, correct. Number two, what do you think, Paul? The answer. Also correct. That is keyboard. Okay. Let's find out the number three. Okay, Hazel, what do you think number three? Wow, very good. And last, the number four. Remote. Well done, class. Let's give yourself a round of applause.
Class, we will have a recitation based on our previous topic. I'll ask you some questions, and if you know the answer, please raise your hand. I'll give 10 points for every correct answer. Are you ready, class? Okay, let's start. What is the meaning of ICT? Yes, Karen. Okay, correct. What are the uses of ICT in our society? Give one. Yes, Paul. Okay, correct. Another one? Yes, Christine. Excellent. Last one? Yes, Rachel. Also correct. What are the uses of ICT in our society? Okay, correct. Last question. What are the three kinds of current state of ICT? Yes, Dominic. Awesome. All of your answers are correct. Those who recites got 10 points. Give yourselves a round of applause. Based from your responses, I know that you listen and you understand our previous talk.
Okay, class, I have a short video here that I want to show you. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. This is related to our next topic, okay? Okay, so class, we have an activity. This activity called message relay. So I will divide you into two groups. So these groups will be the group number one and the other one will be the group two. Okay? Will be the group two. Okay, class. Okay, Sheila. Please read the instruction. Okay, thank you, Sheila. Okay, class. Are you ready? Okay. Choose your representatives of both groups. Please come forward to get the words inside the box. Okay. Okay, class. Your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. Good job, class. So let's count the words correct. Okay, very good. Our group winners is group 2. Okay, class. Today we will tackle a new topic. And here are the objectives for our new lesson. Everybody, I want you to read the objectives of our lesson for today. Okay, let's start with this. Number 1. Next. Number 2. And then number 3 objectives. These objectives will be explained to everyone later in our discussion.
Okay, we have an activity today. I have here the 3 pictures prepared and I want to show you guys. What are you going to do? Just guess the pictures. Okay? Just raise your hand if you know the answer. Because I will give 5 points for your recitation. So are you ready, class? Okay. First pictures. Anybody raise your hand? Yes, Dexter. Very good. It is safety. And the second picture, yes, Miss Laika. Perfect. You got it. It is security. And the third one is embracing. It is ethics. Okay, I really want already to know about our topic for today. But before that, I want to give you a short pre-test. Answer it in a 1/4 sheet of paper. I will give you just 2 minutes to answer it. Okay, are you done, class? Let me exchange your paper. That's it. Amazing, you are almost perfect. So now let us give good job class.
Okay, class. Based on your activity and the video that you watched earlier, what do you think will be our topic for today? Yes, Sheila. Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss Sheila. Now, class, our topic for today is about safety and security and ethics in ICT. You are correct, Miss Sheila. Now, class, do you have an idea about safety, security, and ethics in ICT? Or do you think the safety, security, and ethics is important? Okay, very good, Miss Rose. Do you want to say something? Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss Rose. So, class, there are also a danger or risk that you may encounter on the internet. So, like for example of that are the spam messages, computer work, spyware, and the Trojan horses. Last, those are the danger or the risk that you may encounter on the internet. So, class, to avoid them, you should put a password or set the password. So, to avoid Okay, very good. So class, let's try this activity. So in this activity class, as what I've said a while ago, you are going to create a password here. So I have here a visual step-by-step process so that you can be able to follow. So everybody please open your laptop. Okay class, first is in step 1, go to control panel. After opening the control panel, you will see the adjust your computer setting. Look for the user's account icon. After clicking the user's account icon, let's proceed to step 3. So in step 3 class, click on the word sign in options so that you can go to the step 4. In step 4 class, look for the password and then after clicking the password, let's proceed to step 5. In step 5 class, click the add word. After clicking the add word and there you go, you can create your new password here. And then after that, you have to confirm your password. And class, you can put your password in here. Plus, this password, it can help you to recover or open your laptop. So after that, click next to proceed to step 7, which is the last one. You have two options here: the finish, the word finish, and the concept. So class, click finish so that you can use your password for to be effective and ready to use. So class, just a reminder, in creating your password, make sure that you create your password which is a kind of password that is strong. Like for example, August password that is strong is like this. So class, this is a great example of strong password. It's because it is long and more than 10 characters. And it involves symbols, numbers, and letters, both uppercase and lowercase. So it is difficult for someone else to learn. So class, let's start your activity. Alright, it seems like you are done with your activity. Now let's proceed to our next discussion.
Alright, so now that we have discussed about the user account, birthday, or even the date of your son or your daughter or your any family members that can be hacked by a hacker. Okay? So after you click on your password begins and just simply click on the create password. It may differ from your laptop's guys, you can click save or create password. So if you would like to change your password now, you can just simply click on the answer. Okay, so guys, do you have any question? Okay, good. Okay, so you can now proceed to your activity.
Okay, class. Let's have an activity. So, this activity is entitled Keep It Private. So, please prepare one question of paper, please. And please read the direction carefully. Are you ready, class? Okay, start. Number one. Are you done with the smart class? Then let's proceed for the number three. Okay, are you done answering class? Okay, kindly exchange your papers, check your work, and let's go back with the questions. So, number one, what is the answer for this? Miss Eileen? Okay, that's right, letter B. And then, for number two, Jack. Right, letter B. And for number three, what do you think is the answer for this? Irish? Letter C? That's right. Number four, Micah. Okay, correct, letter B. Last number, Jack. Letter C. Okay, does everybody got it correctly? Very good, class.
Okay, class, we're having our activity again. This activity is called share or not share. So, in this activity, you will copy this table and you will check the spaces whether you share this information or not share. So, for example, your first name, you will check the share if you share this information in your social media accounts and not share if you don't share it. So, is that clear, class? Okay, so you have 10 minutes to do it and you may start now. Okay, are you done, class? How many of this information will you share right now? Okay. How about you, Patricia? How many of this information you have not shared? Okay. Based on your answers, do you think you're safe in your using the internet? Yes, why Dexter? Okay, very good. So let us reflect these following questions. Do you use internet after you wake up in the morning? Okay. How many times have you checked your phone after you wake up? Alright. How many updates have you placed in your social media accounts? Do you follow celebrities or your crushes in your Facebook, your Twitter, or Instagram? Okay. Okay, to sum up what we have learned earlier, let me ask you some questions. What is online security and safety? Yes, Michael. Very good, Mike. What is the importance of online security? Yes, Joy. Nice answer, Joy. How about at the back? Do you still remember the meeting I preached? Yes, Amy. Very good, Amy. How about spa? Okay, that's right. And thus, my question is, what is the importance of social? What is the importance of internet security and networks? Yes, Joy. Okay, thank you for your answer. And now, class, let's have an activity. It's a matching type. I read, please read the direction. Okay, class, you may now start. Okay, time's up. Please pass your paper. Okay. Everyone, please stand up and let's have a good job clap on your words. Who knows the good job clap? None? Okay, I'll teach you the good job clap. Okay, it's G-O-O-D-G-O-D. Good job, good job. Okay, again. G-O-O-D-G-O-D. Good job, good job. Okay, present that. G-O-O-D-G-O-D. Good job, good job. Okay, you will now take it.
Alright, so let us now check if we really have learned about our topic for today. Next slide, please. Alright, so I have here a QR code. Okay, class, you can use your mobile phone and just simply scan this QR code and you will be directed for a quiz on a form of Google Form. Alright, so you can now start your quiz. Okay, time's up. Now let us check if one of you got a higher score. Next slide. Wow! It seems all of you got a perfect score. I want to give all of you a clap, okay? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, everyone, that you have got a perfect score. Okay, now I want to give you an assignment. We're having break our topic for today. I want you to write an essay in your own words in one whole sheet of paper about why you should click before you click. Pass it in the next meeting. So, do you have any questions, class? Or any clarification? Okay, everybody stand up for our closing prayer. Okay, goodbye, class.
Okay, congratulations for being very amazing webinar performance tonight. In fact,
Thank you, sir.
Exceeded my expectations.
Wow.
As regards the proceeding of the presentation. So let's listen to Professor Edwin for his concise explanations and feedback. Professor Edwin, listen carefully.
Thank you, Tudok. Third group, congratulations. You did a great job. As we were saying, you really had shown great impact sa demonstration, wearing the attire. It really impact to the student or the audience. Yung audience na kasi ay mga learners or students. May impact agad yung So I checked your parts ng lesson plan kasi importante kasi you shouldn't miss the part of the lesson plan. So meron naman tayong objectives, meron naman tayong subject matter. Hindi mo nagagawa ng lesson kung naman yung subject matter. Learning activities, meron naman evaluation assignment. Okay. Those objectives, again, sa sir na lang talaga mag-scrutinize niya kasi expertise niya. Pero I also observe yung proper order kasi pag nag-create or nag-formulate kayo ng objectives. Ang objectives is the most important part of your lesson. Dito magagaling yung lesson. I'm not saying it's wrong. Kasi, kailangan talaga natin siya i-get kasi sa some class natin yan, magiging quality over. Pero, doon sa inyong learning activities, yung condition na ginawa niyo yung nag-meet, dapat mag-meet yung required activities na gagawin natin doon sa lesson plan o ilalagay natin sa lesson plan based doon sa objectives. Ibig sabihin ng word activities, what the teacher will do and say during the teaching learning process, and what the student will do. Yun na yung mga in-employ ninyong activities. Yung formative activities based on sa objectives. So nag-align naman yung mga activities niyo doon sa objectives. Kaya medyo nakakawasan natin. And suggestion ko lang, this ICT area, dapat gamit tayo po ICT. Tulad kanina may dumikit, may pinanggan, meron yung ICT na naka-open. So ang bata kasi medyo overfeeding na sa kanila kapag may ICT tapos may ulit at ulit. So I would suggest, again, I'm not saying it's wrong. You did a good job with that. Kasi you're able to showcase yung IMs, yung instructional material which is traditional. Kasi pag wala naman talaga kuryente, kailangan mo talaga traditional instructional material. Pero yung area nyo kasi ICT, na tayo sa learning materials and functionalities. And I also like your showing na align or nag-congruent those objective na applying internet, online, safety, security, ethics. Very good yung pag-deliver yung request letters, ethics, before you guide them. Pero sa totoong buhay, I'm not saying yung sa demo ninyo, this was perfect, based on sa lesson planning. I'm saying this for the future, na kapag nag-apply tayo ng activities na naka-align sa objectives, dapat focus na tayo. I would suggest, kasi syempre ang availability ng device or gadget, kung piniresent yung laptop, security, wala naman sila ng laptop, they could not be able to achieve yung i-align natin sa objective. So, make sure na lang na meron silang cellphone device kung na tayo mag-focus. Ano pwede i-apply or i-apply natin sa apply or kaya na lang. And sinagahati na rin yung sa assignment, actually yung reflection is an output and it should be created. So, siguro ibahin na lang natin yung assignment. Ang assignment kasi is intended for further learning. But overall performance, we're very confident, you're very articulate in the use of medium, language of extraction, galing ng mga dictionary accent natin talaga. Pero we always have to remember, sometimes kung hindi na talaga kung hindi familiar or the student are not used to the accent, ang pinaka-purpose natin dapat may familiar tayo. You were very excellent, not a persevere. So good luck in you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Professor Epi. Let's proceed to the next slide. Professor Amorlo Calmo, your professor.
You were so cute, guys, and you're really bored. I believe that that's a strong manifestation that you are confident and that you're ready to demonstrate whatever learning you want to have in the classroom. That's very nice. It's so cool. You know, while you were doing the demonstration ago, I feel like you were really after the lesson. Because I was able to see someone that's looking at a certain piece of paper just check what is the next. Just check what's the chronological order of what he's gonna say, she's gonna say. That's very nice. That's outstanding for me. Okay. Again, I will be restricted this time. You know, if I were a teacher who is going to demonstrate a lesson concentrated on the use of ICT, I will surely use or employ information communication technology. Let's consider that you are demonstrating this particular topic in an urban area where internet and technologies are available. Consider that in a particular school that you're going to demonstrate, there is a presence of technology and there is an internet connectivity. The first thing you can do or to think about to amaze your observer is to think of one specific website or create, like kanina, huli mo kasi pinarasal yung QR code. There was one time I created a bio. I created a bio where every information is embedded in that. They can only open that particular bio if the lesson or the part of the lesson is nandito na. Like, parang siyang sub-link, parang like in a QR code number 1. There will just be, yung i-scan lang nila, they're gonna see the objectives na tuloy-tuloy. Kumbaga, everything is embedded in technology since your topic is about technology. But gladly, you included also the so-called print, this one, integrated this one. It's maganda din yun siya. Kasi what if talaga nawalan ng kuryente or bigla. So parang you are showcasing that there should always be balance in whatever you inside the classroom. And then, your topic is timely and relevant. It's really a good thing to teach this time. Yung mga bata, dapat alam nila kung ano yung mga niya. Kung ano yung dapat concentration nila. Na-amaze din ako pa rin doon sa isang way ng explanation yung paggamit ng print visual aids, yung process by process. Para next time, pag-act on na, use the power of technology. With people, it's a bio teacher, isi-share ko sa inyo. Ito lang pagtingin ka dito na sa page na ito. Kasabay mo siya nag-discuss, kasabay mo siya doon. Especially, katulad yun, you want to the students create a password. It's a good thing na talaga dapat magkasabay kayo, di ba? Kasi the concentration is about application. And then, ayun daw, everything in the demonstration is excellent. I love how you stand there. You are seen to be an icon talaga ng isang pagaling. I love it. Thank you, sir.
By the way, I am this amazed with your lungs. Where did you order this? Our nose? Okay. So, you know,
Yes,
Naka-uniform namin, sir.
very good. So that's one manifestation that you are resource.
It's like they practice well.
Alam din, baka may mga po kayo wala namang doon.
Parang nakabigla, makakalit.
Nakabulit kayo ng MWM. Kaya hindi namin yung
Ay, I know the English. Takpan nyo na lang yung name tag na nila doon.
Okay, sige, thank you. Very amazing. And you're going to be following up. 5 is maximum, and 1 is the minimum. That is the Likert scale of control. Observer number 1 gave you 4.8. Observer number 2 gave you 4.6. And the last, certainly not the least, observer number 3 gave you 4.7. So the average of 3 ratings would be 4.7. This is equivalent to outstanding.
Anyway, Annalyn was our top notcher during the training exhibition. And sila pa rin sa top si Diana, top kay Amir.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, so we take picture. Wala kayo na. Sige. Sige.
Perfect.
I-answer ko kayo.
Isang subject na lang yan, sir. Master of none yan.
Pero yung pangalan ng teacher dito, Salve Sabalo. Ito ko.
Ibig sabihin, para sa subject.
Yeah.
Okay lang. Hindi na alis.
Pina-edit, sir.
Ginagalit sa kabilang section.
Hindi, yung ano lang ako break.
Arrow free. Okay, so okay.
Ano?
Ano ba sa video? Kaya kaya naman sa set. Cebuana na dito.
Pa-picture po kami. Thank you so much. Sir, Paul, give na.
Official din pala sa PC yan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wala ko. Yung camera.
Yung value ng presentation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Makita yung mga cake.
Thank you, sir.
Ganun ka na ito, paputiin mo pag pinost mo.
Okay lang. This is the last.
Ma'am. Bakit nawala? Wala, ma'am, nawala. Ma'am.
Okay, last.
Sa'yo na lang wala na.
Ay, excuse me.
I-cancel natin.
Alis na.